Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. So today I have another haul for you guys from eStarCase, and I do have a code for you. It's plan for 12% off. If you're interested to see what I purchased, stay tuned, and I'll see you in just a second. Okay, so let's open this up together. There's quite a few things in here, so okay, let's go through it. I'm gonna open these up really quick. Okay, and I got 3 gifts. I got socks, little pearls, and a little layering netting here. And then the rest I purchased. So I purchased this set of tweezers. I'll show you what they look like. They're iridescent. There's 3 of them. So there's the straight one, which I use the most, which is what these are too. But do you see how I bend them already? I don't know what I was doing, but something. So that's one. I'll put this back in for now. This one is a little curved. Do you see that? And then this one has an angle. So all 3 of this come in a set. They're pretty great, very inexpensive. So that's one. I bought another one of my mats. So these mats, I have one right here. I put pet tape on here and then cut around it as I need it. It's super convenient. And then I bought a couple books, so I'll show you. Blossom and Wither, A Rural Countryside, Charm Moment, Winter Interlude, and Aromatic Notes. So let's start in order, and I'll show you each and every one. So this one I already have. This is a backup. It's lots of beautiful flowers. Look at this. It's a really, really good book to have if you do plan with florals quite a bit. Look at this. You have maple leaves. You have jingle leaves. Look at these. And then we have some quotes. And then we are on paper now. Then we have white roses with some purple. We have puppy. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? And then we have some really nice fall. And then back to colorful boxes. Here's some washi strips on washi paper. There's like some, I don't even know, tears, scraps on washi paper, and then you get regular boxes. They're a little bit more decorative than normal, and then a second page of them. So yeah, Blossom and Wither, really good book. Put that on the side. and show you rural countryside. Super cute. Such a realistic images, you guys. I think that's what gets me with these books, that the images are so vivid. And again, you can use code PLAN for 12% off anytime you purchase anything from eStarCase. Their shipping is so quick. I love it. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? This is a whole one sticker, the little village. So is this. Look at the little chicken coop with the chickens, so cute. A barn, some carrots, beautiful hammock. Like, look at the cobble streets, so cute. A city on a canal. And then you have all of these animals. Look at this dog, oh my gosh. And this one, the little goat and a cow and pig with a bow. Just can't. And then you have a little church, because every town has a little church, and then carved with flowers. Look at that. More of that. And then on washi, you have a whole little city here. And then, yeah, super cute. Washi strips. And then we have decorative boxes. And then we have some more regular boxes, I should say. So Rural Country, super adorable book. Next one, outside of the Blossom and Wither, all of these are new to me. So Charm Moment. Look at this. So cute. Fashion. Look at the little witch. Trick or Treat. So this one has multiple seasons in it. Brown florals. Then we have some sewing, some crafting. Okay. Cute. Look at her outfit. Wow. Some singing. The fountain. And then we have some beautiful homes and a bridge. And now we're on washi paper. We have a little island. A little city block. Look at this picture from the bottom surrounding all the buildings. So cool. And then we have washi tape. We have these really beautiful stickers with flowers on it. Those are boxes. And some more regular boxes. So that one is very pretty. It's a little on the neutral side, right? So very cool. And then Winter Interlude. Let's see. Merry Christmas. Okay, so we have some Christmas pages here. Gorgeous. And then we have some regular winter stuff. Hot cocoa. This is still decorated, like the fireplace is decorated for Christmas, but it's okay. But this, none of this is, so take a look. Very realistic. And then we're back to Santa and snowman. And now we have some books and papers. Lots of different Christmas decorations. Definitely a great Christmas book, you guys. Look at this. The little city. And then we have washi boxes. And then washi strips. Those are more boxes that you can write on, and then these are more plain boxes. Okay, last sticker book, you guys. So this is Romantic Notes. Yummy food here. So lots of food, I'm assuming. Let's take a look. Wow, very retro. This book is very, very retro, at least to me. Look at this kitchen. All the sauces. Drinks, super good. Cook. Yummy food here. Stir the pot. Tastes good. Spice it up. Yeah. Then we have tomatoes, blueberries, limes, and more veggies. Tomatoes, celery, peppers, carrots, cabbage, ginger, red onion, cucumber, garlic, broccoli, snow peas, and purple yams. Look at this. The barbecue looks so good. A shopping cart. Bread, which is my weakness. Coffee, which is my second weakness. Some kitchen accessories, a stove, a fridge, that's a blender, coffee maker, rice cooker, toast, air fryer. It's actually air fryer. And then I don't know. Okay, I don't even know what to call these. And the microwave. But look how cool this is. Like all the prepared foods, they look so yummy. And then you have a table and a sink, and then some more washi scraps with different fruits on it. Washi strips. These are the boxes, super adorable, and these are the more plain boxes. So that's all I have for you guys today as far as this haul goes, because like I said, did not purchase a whole lot, but enough. So Aromatic Notes, Winter Interlude, Charm Moment, Rural Countryside, and Blossom and Wither. Let me know which one was your favorite, and I'll see you guys soon for another video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you guys purchase from eStarCase, I would really appreciate if you use my code. It's called PLAN for 12% off. Thanks.